A few weeks ago, I hosted a giveaway where I gave away a Canon G7X camera, a lighting set, a year of Thinkific, and some other camera accessories and software. And it was a huge hit, and it was also a big piece of my launch strategy going into my new membership community, Vidfluential U. And after I got done, a lot of you have said, hey, how did you host that giveaway? What software did you use? How did you play it into your launch? Etc., etc., etc. So today I'm going to tell you what software I used and how I worked it into my launch so that you can have an amazing giveaway as well. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here. I literally love teaching you everything you need to know about video and content marketing strategy so you can have a better business and in turn make more money, because I like money and I figure everybody else likes money. So now I want you to do me a favor. Have you ever thought of running a giveaway for your business? Have you ever thought, I should give something away to my audience? And one of the next thought that crosses your mind is, how the crap do I do that? What software do I use? What do I give away? How will it work and actually make me money? Blah, blah, blah. It feels so overwhelming. So hit the thumbs up if you've ever felt that way. I was the same way. I was like, I want to do this big giveaway for my audience, but I don't really know what to do. I don't know what software to use or anything like that. So I started kind of planning out how I wanted the giveaway to work into my launch, because a launch for me normally looked like a webinar and a launch, a webinar and a launch, a build up to the webinar and a launch. And I wanted to try something different. So what I did with this specific giveaway and launch was that I promoted the giveaway and that's it. I only promoted the giveaway. I knew that if somebody was signing up to win a camera and lighting equipment and Thinkific and TubeBuddy, that they were probably really interested in video for their business or whatever. So I knew it was like right on track. So I promoted the giveaway and only the giveaway. However, as soon as someone signed up for the giveaway, I mentioned to them that they could win the giveaway without being there live when I announced the winner, but that they would win extra things if they were there live. So I created a live winner announcement at the end of my giveaway and encouraged everyone entering the giveaway to watch. So if they won extra things. Now the strategy behind this was also a webinar. So I was teaching during this live announcement as well. So I fed them all into a webinar. I basically, as soon as someone signed up for the giveaway, they signed up for the webinar. So it wasn't a promotion of both things. Now, I did send out a couple of emails saying, hey, you didn't sign up for the giveaway, but I'm doing a webinar today. You should probably sign up, and did have a couple people sign up that way. The day of the announcement comes, and I teach for about 30 minutes on the webinar, and then I announce the giveaway winner before questions, but after the entire teaching webinar and the pitch. So the people were really interested in seeing if they won. They stuck around to the end so they could see if they won. And in turn, they were there for my pitch. So that was kind of the strategy with the giveaway. Now, I led my giveaway into something that was directly going to make me money because I spent a lot of money on this giveaway. It was sponsored by a few companies, but I still had to put a lot of my own funds into the giveaway. So I wanted to make sure there was a direct return on the end where I was giving something away, but then I was also making money on the end. So that was kind of the strategy behind it. Now, the tools I used to get this accomplished, I used Gleam.io. And now I have to shout out my friend Kristen at Six Sisters Stuff for giving me the suggestion of that one, because I was having a really hard time finding a platform, a giveaway platform, that let me encourage people to subscribe to YouTube as an entry. Because I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, I wanted that specific entry type on my giveaway. I wanted them to have to subscribe to YouTube to be able to enter the giveaway. So it took me a little bit. I finally asked her because I had seen them do it, and she said she loved it. It is a paid service, but it's super cheap, and you can cancel it after the month you use it. But there are other platforms like King Sumo and Rafflecopter that you can use to do this as well. And there are probably other systems out there who also have subscriptions to YouTube as an entry process that I just couldn't find. But I highly, highly recommend Gleam.io, and I've included a link to it in the description below. So you should be able to get yourself that. Now, from there, I just set up an automation in my email system. So anytime someone signed up for the giveaway, they were subscribed to my email list, and then they got the emails that said, hey, thanks for signing up. Also, you should be here live on this day because you will win something else if you are. And also, here's some other stuff. So I kind of sent them into a funnel through my email marketing system. Also, because I'm such a big proponent of making everything pretty, I embedded the Gleam.io form on my own website so that I could just send people to jessicastansberry.com/giveaway, and it would go straight to a page that was branded that looks like my website with the giveaway entry form on it. So that was really all I used. That's it. I used Gleam.io. They subscribed to enter the giveaway. They got emails letting them know when I was announcing it and how they needed to claim their prize. And then whenever I announced the giveaway winner, I found them and got their address and mailed the stuff. So it was not a hard process. And if you're doing digital products, it's even easier because you don't have to mail anything. So my suggestion here is, on strategy, you should be leading the giveaway into something that is paid. Unless it's a very small giveaway, it should be something that is paid on the other end. You should be making money from the giveaway, essentially. Oh, so one other thing with strategy that I didn't mention, and that is to use this giveaway as a way to grow your platforms. So what I did is, on Gleam.io, you can choose the required things they have to do, or you can choose things that get them extra entries. So the required things they had to do were they had to put their email address in, and they had to subscribe on YouTube, because I really, really wanted to put a big focus on sending more people to my YouTube channel. You may have even come here because of the giveaway. So there's that. But then extra entries, I had to follow me on Instagram, to share my post on Facebook, and a couple of other things, to tweet my giveaway status, etc. Now, because I really wanted to focus in on YouTube, I made it required. The other platforms I didn't make required. I made them extra because I wasn't focusing on that. So I would highly suggest picking one platform you want to grow and making that a required entry contact piece, so that when someone finds your giveaway, it is growing the platform you want it to grow. And then on the systems piece, Gleam.io, embed it in your website, hook it to your email system. It's literally that easy. All right, so hit subscribe, because I'm bringing you back lots and lots of content that will help you grow your business. I promise. It's my mission in life to help you grow your business. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, and come back next time. Bye, y'all.